Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Java by MK. So today I'm going to solve three problems on strings. One is, you can see, is first occurrence. Second one is longest common prefix, and third one is palindrome. I will try to cover in one video itself. So let's start with the first problem. You can see there are two strings. One is sad but sad, and second one is sad. So what we have to do, we have to write a method in such a way that we get the first occurrence of this sad in this particular string, first string. So you can see it is repeating up another time, so it could be either this or this, but in this problem we have to find the first occurrence of this substring. Okay, and if it is not present, we have to return -1. Okay, this is the problem statement. So let's get started. So first we will just find out if, using if condition, if this first string dot contains second string. If not, then let's return -1. Okay, else if it is present, then what we will do, we will use the methods of string to find out whether the substring lies on that the first string or not. So let's see which method we have. So you have to have the practice to understand which method to use. Let me get to that method directly. You can see this method returns the index within the string of the first occurrence of the specified substring. Okay, so if you give the second string, you will get index return type. Okay, now index. Okay, now let's run this once. Okay, you can see uh, we got the index as 0 because you can see this substring lies and starts from 0. Okay, so we get the return as 0. Okay, so this is, so let's move to another problem, longest common prefix. Okay, so you can see we have one string, flower, flow, flight. Okay, so you have to ensure that all the strings should have the common longest common prefix, means common prefix. Suppose I give here some other add, then it will not work, because you can see that these two have, although have common prefix, this doesn't. So all the string elements should have the common prefix, then only this will return some value, else it will return empty string. Okay, so let me, there are multiple ways we can solve the problem, so it depends on how your thought process is. So the first thing, you can decide that we have to sort this string arrays so that we have the strings in alphabetical order. So that, let me just write like this, sort. Okay, now we have all the string arrays in alphabetical order. Okay, now we have to ensure that all the elements of this string should have same prefix. Okay, so we can, what we can do, let's check the first element and the last element. Okay, so let me store the first element in S1. Okay, and let's store S2, last element in S2. Okay, we have the first and last element. Let's assume index as 0. Okay, now let's write while loop idx should all be less than s1 dot length, and idx should be less than s2 dot length. Okay, now let's consider if s1 dot char at index equal to s2 dot char at index. In this case, let's increment this idx plus plus, else if this is not equal, break the loop, while loop. Okay, now we check the first string element and the last string element. If they have the common prefix one after another, let's add in, store in this idx plus plus, else break this loop. And what we will return, there is another method of string, which is substring. So it will be strs, as it will be, let's assume s1 dot substring, it will be from 0 to idx. Okay, so in this problem you can see fl is the longest common prefix. So let me quickly debug this one. Okay, you can see this is flight, flow, flower. We have sort the, we have now, we, as you can see, flight is s1, flow, flower is the last one. You can see the first element is there, so we have added. The second element is also there, that is also added. Now you can see that we have fl as written. Okay, so the third problem I will solve in another video. Thanks for watching.